Take a ride in
the 2020 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.